shark cuts deeper, leaving me queasy. Therapy sessions endless, meds to numb the fight. Doctor visits stacking, shame burning bright. I turn to the bottle to silence the screams, drowning in alcohol, chasing dead dreams. Others chase the needle or pills to escape, coping mechanisms tightening the drape. Guilt for what my children had to endure, witnessing the horror, innocence no more. Fracture rebuilt, slow and full of pain, from alcohol's grip to drugs' deadly chain. Guilt for the witness, scars on their young hearts, progress in fragments where healing starts. Fracture rebuilt, crawling through the dark, piecing together what was torn apart. Abusers deny it, rewriting the past. Never happened, they say, making trauma last. Society piles on with move on already, while we're fighting demons that won't set us free. Endless appointments, labels and shame, medicated existence just to play the game. Some claw their way out like I finally do, but the road is jagged and the toll breaks through. Some make it through the fire, scarred but alive. Others stay trapped, barely able to survive. Addiction or surrender, claiming their breath. Fractured rebuilt.